Hi, it's Kim here, and I wanted to take a break from my normal tutorials this week to share something really exciting with you, which I know you are going to love if you struggle to thread your machine because you can't see the eye of the needle. Either your automatic threader has just been a bit hit and miss, or the light is not strong enough on your machine, or both, or you're trying to thread hand sewing needles and you can't thread those either because you have got to a certain age and you have to rely on reading glasses and you can't see anymore. Does that sound like you? Okay, let me share this with you. I had to share these with you. And just before I do, I just wanted to say I am not receiving any commission from these guys. I am not receiving any payment. There's nothing like that at all. This is just hand on heart from me to you. I think these are brilliant and I think they will make a massive difference in your world. So let me show you what they are. Are you ready for this? Are you going to take me seriously? No, Kim, I'm not. So these are magnifying glasses. Are they uncool and unsexy? Yes. Do they work? Yes, absolutely they do. But even better, look at that. Some little lights come on, which make me feel like I'm coming into land from a spaceship. I think I need to have little sort of red flashing lights down the side as a little warning sign to everybody. So with your machine, the lights on some machines aren't very good. So these they light everything up. They're brilliant. And then you've got the magnifying lenses here. Let me just turn the lights off for a second. So the magnifying lenses magnify up to 160%, which is brilliant. So that is just enough to be able to thread your needle. And by the way, you can wear them over your reading glasses. So it just depends on how your eyesight works. You put your reading glasses on, put these on top, so you can be doubly uncool and doubly unsexy. But do you care? No, as long as you can thread your needle. Perfect. So I think all crafts, in fact, I met somebody, I think it was yesterday or the day before, who was about to buy some because she did needle felting. So I think whatever craft you've got, these are going to be brilliant for you. Now, in the UK, I have you covered wherever you are in the world. So in the UK, these are the Mighty Sight glasses from JML. As I said, I am not receiving any commission. There's nothing. I'm not getting any payment for this. This is literally just my personal recommendation to you. I think they're brilliant. So they come in this blue box. They, on the back, they'll tell you, they've got a USB little cable in there that you can charge off your laptop or off a USB port in a plug. So that's good. And I've had a look on Amazon. You can get them on Amazon and you can get them on Amazon around the world as well. So I had a look on the Australia site, the Canada site. You can definitely find the Mighty Sight glasses there. In the US, they've got a different brand name, but I think they're exactly the same glasses. So I'll put all the links in the description below so you can go and have a look in your own country to go and get them. They're not very expensive. In the UK, they're about £20, just under £20. They're about the same in the US as well. So you need to look at Canada and Australia for the equivalents, or wherever you are in the world. But I would say massively, highly recommended. I'm going to take them off. So you just take me seriously for the last couple of seconds. I really thoroughly recommend them. I think they're going to make a massive difference to you. Just as I said, to thread your needles and so on. So I hope that's helped this week. It's short and sweet, but I just really wanted to share that because I know it will make a difference to you. Anyway, I'm going to love you and leave you. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this has been helpful to you. And I will see you next time with another tutorial. Bye for now.